Problem-solving skills for anxiety and stress management. Stress and anxiety are part of everyday's life, whether it's financial pressure, relationship issues, work demands, or health concerns. Problems are unavoidable. But what makes a difference is not the problem itself, but how to respond to it. Today I want to talk about a powerful psychological tool, problem-solving skill, and how they can help the general population manage anxiety and stress effectively. What are problem-solving skills? Problem-solving skills are structured way of identifying a problem, understanding it clearly, finding realistic solution, and taking action. When people lack these skills, they often overthink, they feel overwhelmed, they avoid problems, and develop anxiety or depressive symptoms. So, it's very important to learn how to have the skill of problem solving. There is a definite connection between poor problem solving and anxiety and stress. When we don't deal with problem properly, small issues become big stresses, the brain stays in threat mode, anxiety increases, sleep, mood, and functioning are affected. So it overall affects our mental state. In simple word, unresolved problems is equal to ongoing stress and ongoing anxiety. There are 5 practical steps of problem solving. Number 1 is define the problem clearly. Instead of saying, my life is stressful, say, I'm stressed because of financial debt, I'm stressed because of increased workload. Clarity reduces emotional intensity. Break the problem in smaller parts. That's the number 2 step. Large problems feel overwhelming. Break them down. What exactly is causing stress? Which part can I handle first? So we need to have priority, we need to have small steps so we feel less overwhelmed or less stressful. Number 3 is generate possible solution. Encourage brainstorming. No idea is wrong at this stage. We can just think about what are the possible options or write it down on a piece of paper. What are the possible multiple options? For example, reduce expenses, take extra shift, seek financial advice. So, number 4 is evaluate and choose the best option. Ask, is it practical? Is it realistic? What are the pros and cons? So this is how it all helps. Number 5, take action and then review it. Action reduces anxiety. Even small steps help. Then review it. Did it work? If not, try another solution. So we try first solution. If it doesn't work, we find another solution. Practical uses in daily life is, it can help. Problem solving skills helps in financial stresses like budget planning, debt management. It helps in relationship issues by better communication, conflict resolution. It helps in at work by reducing work stress, by making sure that we have better time management. We prioritize our task more effectively. Health anxiety can be reduced by seeking proper medical advice and avoiding excessive Googling and trying to find unrealistic possibilities of illness. Parenting challenges can be managed by managing child behavior step by step. So it has multiple benefits. How it reduces anxiety? When we start problem solving, we regain the sense of control. Our brain shifts from panic mode to solution mode. And stress hormones like cortisol reduces, our confidence increases, and it's not just practical, but it is therapeutic to learn how to solve problems. I think we can implement problem-solving skills in general population and promote problem-solving skills in society by, number one, teaching in schools as life skills. Number two, use at workplace wellness programs. Number three, promote through social media awareness, as what I'm doing now, encourage the families in parenting, and even simple education can prevent long-term mental health issues. From the clinical perspective, therapies like CBT, cognitive behavior therapy, has its core technique as for problem solving skills, and it's highly effective in reducing anxiety, dealing with anxiety disorders, depressive illness, adjustment disorders. It empowers patients to become their own therapist. So always remember, not every problem has an immediate solution, but every problem can be approached in a structured way. If you can think clearly, you can cope much better. And instead of avoiding problems, face them step by step, because problems are part of life, but suffering from them unnecessarily is not part of our life. We should try to not suffer only because we face problems. Learn the skill of problem solving and you will reduce stress, you will reduce anxiety, and improve your quality of life. As a psychiatrist, I always tell my patients, don't just control your emotions, learn to solve the problems behind them. My name is Dr. Shafiq Yasin. I'm a consultant psychiatrist, and I hope this video is valuable. Thank you very much.